Alright friends, I've drawn a few SNR levels and a trend line. Now we wait for the candle's reaction to these areas we've identified. I've placed a sell trade here. Notice the green candles. They moved from this level where we also had a round number, up towards another resistance level. The bodies of these three green candles got progressively weaker. The last one formed a spinning top, and then the next candle moved slightly above our level. When that happened, I saw a good entry point and was able to execute my trade to the downside. We'll wait together here, and when it moved up, I opened my trade. Even if there had been a small green candle to fill the gap, my trade would have closed in profit. Well, here we saw that it ended up being a full red candle, and the trade was successful. Now we'll wait for another suitable opportunity, and I'll be with you all again for another trade.
To easily and freely register with the Quotex Broker, click on the link in the video description.
Alright, we can see that the candles are getting close to our support line, but if you look closely at the movement of this candle, you can see that it doesn't really want to move down. It comes down and then quickly goes back up. We need to wait for this candle to close and see what shape it takes and how it reacts. Look, here is our round number. We've had a reaction to it before, and now the candle has reached it again and is turning back up. I placed another trade here, this time a buy trade, and we'll wait for the result together. You can see that the body of the red candle closed right on our support line, and the wick came down to touch the round number and then went back up. It got rejected from this point and turned upwards, so I placed a buy trade. Let's wait together and see the outcome of this trade. Alright, this trade also ended in profit. Now friends, there's a high probability that this line will break, that the candles will be able to move through it. The reason for this, which I've explained in several previous videos, is that first of all, we have a downtrend here, and the candles have been consistently reacting to and interacting with this line. Look at these candle wicks. They approach the line, then the candles move back up to this height before reversing. We had a reversal here, but now, after a shorter distance and shorter time since the previous reaction, we see another contact, and the price has been rejected upward again. There's a higher probability that, on the next attempt, this support line will break, and the candles will be able to move through it and continue the downtrend. This is because the distance between touches has decreased, and the distance the candles travel to reach the line has also shortened. Alright friends, I opened a sell trade here. I changed the currency pair because when you're trading, you should always keep an eye on the broker's pivot as well. The profit percentage of currency pairs changes, and when I see that the market is becoming too chaotic or not very favorable, I switch pairs. Look friends, we had a level here that this candle touched. You can see there are several wicks at this level, and there's no need to even draw the line. It's clear enough. Here we see that the candle was pushed back, and there are no other levels or zones until this point in its path. This is the seller's area. This red candle that formed here completely engulfed the previous green candle, which gave us more confidence in executing this trade, and as you can see, it ended in profit. Now this candle is coming down again and will react to this level once more. It might reverse from here, or it might break through and move past it. Everything depends on the shape and form of the candle that hits this level and how it reacts.
Dear friends, to make sure you don't miss any of our videos, please subscribe to the BS Academy channel. Also, activate the notification bell so that you are informed as soon as we publish new videos. Thank you for your support.